This is Anfield Road, layout in the loft, with a little teaser video. What's to come with me running trains. Here we go. I'll have to be 56. And I'll run it back again. Forward. Back. That is a little teaser video from Anfield Road, layout in the loft. There is trains. It can go forward. It can go back. Watch this. And go forward without coming off track like it has done because I went too quick. There we go, she's back on. There's a little video of what's to come on Anfield Road. If you like, subscribe, press the like, dislike, doesn't bother me which one you press. And don't forget, I have got Discord. Discord is in the description at the bottom if you want to chat after I've done my lives. And I've got a live today at 5 o'clock, 12 noon in America. So, and I do have victims up on the panel that are showing what they're doing on the layout. So thank you for watching Anfield Road, layout on the loft. And if you subscribe, you do get some videos that do go up. That is going to be extra videos that will be going up when I am going to start putting extra content out. There is going to be regular content going out. So thank you for watching Anfield Road, layout on the loft. Don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike. It doesn't bother me. It gets me my watch hours. And that's what I like with it. And the interaction with Over the Pond streams and a couple of UK ones. But I mainly go into all sorts now. It's not just train related streams I go into now. I go into anything that gets me my watch hours. So thank you from Anfield Road, layout in the loft. And it is moving again. We'll go one more time forward and we'll stop it there. That is me 56. Thank you for watching Anfield Road. And if you're near the tracks and you're standing too close and you get hit by the train, don't blame Anfield Road. Just blame yourself to standing too close to the train track. So bye from Anfield Road, layout in the loft, and take it easy. Bye all.